This is my friend's 2011 Toyota Camry, and it has seen better days. With all the dents and dings, this vehicle needs some attention, so stay tuned to see how we bring this Camry up to date. First I remove the rear bumper, then I work on removing the front. Now we sand down this rear bumper to remove the imperfections. Then we make our way to removing the dent in the front bumper using a heat gun. After applying the Bondo and waiting for it to dry, we then sand again till it is smooth and flush. Now we apply some Dolphin, which is a type of filler that gives amazing results. We use a scuff pad to rough up the rear fender. After that, we spray some primer to seal the inflicted areas. After the primer has dried, I use 800 wet sandpaper to remove and level any imperfections on the primer. Remember, great prep work is key to an amazing paint job. Now, under the guidance of my mentor, I begin by laying down some base. This Camry is starting to look better already. After 4 base coats, 2 coats of clear was applied. Let's bring on the shine. Next time on Corolla Customs, we will buff the entire car to bring back a factory look, so stay tuned.